Salam to everyone present here. Good evening. So I won't take much of your time, but before I go into the word of thanks, there are a few words that I would like to share without taking much time. 2017, on the same stage, with the help of Father Victor Lobo and Dr. Syed Ammar Naqshwani and Swami Agnivesh ji and all of the other eminent personalities, we gave out a call for uniting hearts. And we still remember that it was this stage that we started this. But back then, not many people understood the need or the value of uniting hearts. But 2021, here we are in front of you, 1.5 years and more of the pandemic, and I'm sure all of us have realized the need and the importance of uniting hearts in such times. And I'm sure that all of us have been victims of the pandemic in some way or the other, and I'm sure that not an individual could save, but a collective group of great human beings that came together to make this this pandemic, maybe a cushioned one, I would say, not really a one without pain. So with that, I would like to say that uniting hearts on one side is a very powerful statement, but when you mix it with Karbala, they say that do not see Karbala with your eyes and your mind, see it with your soul. And there are many eminent personalities here, and they would agree with me that the whole rests in your heart. And because of the pandemic, I'm sure that the coming together of many hearts, has really amplified the need for many souls to come together. And that is the real medicine to the evils of humanity that are really prevailing today with us. And I think uniting hearts is the only medicine that we have to save humanity as it is. So with that, I would like to, really propose a vote of thanks. But like every year, we really need to understand that, this is a legacy of 29 years that we are standing here today. I was not even born when the first Hussain Day happened, right? And, we are all here, 26 years of age, doing this as much as we can. But I would like to really take the time for a minute and remember a lady that we all so beautifully love. That was my grandmother, Marhuma Shahnaz Begum. So I'm sure that, my father used to tell me when I was a young kid that, that it is difficult to do this, but I'm sure the maa ki dua that they say that really made Hussain Day where it is today. So with this, I would like to really remember my grandmother on this day, Marhuma Shahnaz Begum, and I'm sure if you all can read a Surah Fatiha for her. And also my Nani, Marhuma Batul Begum, that has really shaped us into the, humans that we are today. So, these are a few important personalities that we really need to mention, because without them, we wouldn't be born. So quickly, I would like to thank all our eminent personalities, because we have a short time duration and we really need to wrap this up. So I would really like to thank each and every one of you for being here a part of this particular gathering and adhering to the COVID protocols. We did our best. We did our best to really give you the entry and screening at every point, alternate seating. And we would like to thank, before I come to the guests, I would like to thank the BBMP, Joint Commissioner Pallavi ma'am, for giving us the permission for conducting this event. Dr. Srinivas, MOH of Shantinagar constituency. This wouldn't have been possible without the constant support of our Bangalore City Police, that is Ashok Nagar Police Station in particular, Inspector Malesh and Sub-Inspector Kumar and Ashwini ma'am, who have always been a constant support. Shiva Kumar sir, who has always helped us navigate through the various protocols and made this a successful event so far. I would like to thank Father Victor Lobo and the St. Joseph's Institution for really being such hospitable, patrons of Hussain Day. Father, when we told Father that, Father, we want to do Hussain Day, but we don't know where to do it. Father said, why? We have a home, and this is Joseph's. So as a Josephite, my father, my brother, and myself, I think that, it's really great to do this Hussain Day, which came from our home, in our second home, which we call Joseph's. So thank you, Father Victor Lobo. Without him, this would not have been possible. Seriously speaking, this is not an event it's not a thing that happened just casually. There's a lot of planning went in, and Father Victor Lobo had a huge role to play in giving us the cushion to make this happen. And also his team, Mr. Jimmy, and all the staff members who have helped us, throughout making this a successful event. So, With that, I would like to quickly start thanking one by one the guests of this evening. Maulana Sabir Ali Imrani Sahab for the beautiful khirat in the beginning of the event. Swami Tattva Rupananda Adyaksha of Rama Krishna Mutt. Most Reverend Peter Machado, Archbishop of Bangalore. Reverend Father Victor Lobo, the principal of St. Joseph's College. Shri Galston, eminent Buddhist scholar from Mysore. Thank you, sir, for being here. Dr. Jivan Jot Kaur, Mr. Rajesh Bantia, Mufti Syed Bakar Arshad Khasmi, Sufi Syed Arif Hussain Shah Warsi, Maulana Syed Muhammad Ibrahim Saab. Also, I would like to thank Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain MP Saab for giving us a beautiful message. Shri N.A. Harris, who is the MLA of this constituency, Shantinagar, for being a part of this wonderful occasion. Mr. Bhaskar Rao, I think we've seen a lot of Mr. Bhaskar Rao, and he's a, whenever we speak to the police, they say that he was one of the best commissioners of Bangalore city that we've ever seen, and such a respectable and, courteous person that we've, seen, and we're really happy that he was here amongst us. Mr. Akbar Khalili Sahab for joining us this evening. Sunita Jingran ma'am for being a part of, she is also one of our core patrons of Hussain Day. She has always blessed the audience with her kalam, and we are really lucky, ma'am, for being able to, being a part of this audience of listening to your kalam. Ms. Kanak Joshi, I think, you were definitely, someone we were all looking forward to as a family, and I'm sure the audience has understood the amazing talent and upbringing that you come from. So thank you so much for gracing this occasion. And with that, I would like to have your patience for a few more minutes, because while we thank the ones that we saw today and the eminent personalities, there is a lot of work that goes in the back end, which goes noticed, unnoticed. That's very subjective, but it is very important to name a few individuals. And I'm sure by the end of this, I would have missed out a few names as well, and I'm sorry in advance for that. But however, I will do my best. So the video team, Roshan Ali, who is also very, he has also been a great support for me personally for conducting this on ground. Mr. Vijay and the team for the live streaming and the video, they've done a brilliant job since morning for the Majlis and Hussain Day. Sound, we have Jamil and Akram, and of course Mr. Jimmy from the auditorium, who has always he's in charge of the whole building. And Father Victor Lobo, I would like to say that Mr. Jimmy has been such a great person to work with that we know him since 1 week, I think, but I think he has really been a great support for us. So banners, Mohan and team, photo and video, Ansar Bhai and Babu Bhai. So for the photography, press, I would like to thank Rauf. Back-end team, we have a great back-end team, which my brother, so if you see the social media posts coming out, the videos and all of the content that comes out, this is the back-end team that really works on it. There's Soumya, Pari, Sujit and Nadeem, who handles our website. Transport team, I'm sure there were a lot more people than this, but Ali Naki, Askar, Abbas, who have really coordinated that for us. T-shirts, the merchandise that you see, Bharat, a really good friend of mine, who really delivered it in a day, because we were not too sure if we would be able to see all today. The Richmond Town youth, Salman, Javed, Imran. And our people, it's Nadeem from our office, Nadeem, Mohammad Bhai and Imran. I'd also like to thank Najam for being, backbone in this entire thing, Najam and Abbas. And I would also like to thank all the main stage volunteers, Gulshan, Mohammed and team. The reason I'm naming a few people, and I'm sure that, there are a lot of volunteers that I'll come to, these are the few people that we count on, and they have always, come and supported us throughout. I'd also like to thank Channel Win from Mumbai. 4 members from Channel Win have flown into the city only to cover this event, and they have always been that backbone for us with respect to propagating the message. Hussain Day, spread the message, is what we stand for, and Channel Win has beautifully helped us and successfully been there with us throughout this journey to ensure that they take this message to the audience. We are just zariyas, we are just people to start creating content in the new world, but they are the ones that are the zariyas to really reach multiple people and make our lives give us the motivation to, do more. I'd also like to thank Anjuman-e-Soghra, Anjuman-e-Zehra, Kirmani Saab, who has also been a great patron and support to Hussain Day. I would like to thank Madam Yahut auntie, sorry, for really arranging the transport and various, she's always supported us, with the whole local mobilization of crowd for this. And you would have seen a lot of ladies come today, more than men. And she is the great, backbone for that. Yasmin auntie as well, who has always been a great constant support throughout. And also I would like to thank Miss Margaret Ribello from IRHM for helping in, mobilizing great, people from very spiritual backgrounds. So she handles, IRHM, which is a unit which talks about, unity and coming together of various walks of life. So I would also like to thank Feroz Abdullah Saab for being a great support to my dad in whichever way possible. He's always been a backbone, supporting Hussain Day year on year. Apart from that, and also Kanak Joshi's father, and your parents, of course, who have really been a great support to you for us to be blessed with your voice and your kalam today. So thank you, sir, for that. Maulana Shair Ali, Maulana Abbas Siraj, Mr. Zamin Raza Saab, who is the president of Anjuman-e-Imamia, and Anis Akhtar Bhai for being a part of this, great gathering from Idare Faizul Islam. And also, I'm sure there are a lot of names that I'm missing out, and I apologize to each and every. So also all the press, media, that, Rauf Bhai and team, I would say, that have mobilized with the help of Nadeem. I think, and I'm sure my father will come here with a few more names. So with this, I would like to conclude my, my small few words that I shared with you. Thank you so much. And inshallah, we will see you next year with a better, setting where we won't have the pandemic, which we will call it endemic. I will give it over to my father to complete the list, which I'm sure is incomplete. Thank you so much.
Just 1 minute. I think my special thanks to the police. Mr. Ravi and Mrs. Ashwini are here. They had to, today being a Sunday, they had a personal engagement. I'm sorry, sir, we've overshot by 1 hour. Thank you, the police and the BBMP. And my friend Mr. Ansar, the photographer, is a part of the Hussain Day. Razi forgot him. And of course, there are a lot of members of the Milli Council and many other idaras here. If I go name by name, it's not good. The press, there were many YouTube channels here. It's a long list, so I thank all of them. And I can see Shahid Khazi here and Rauf, the two best friends of mine, they're here. And Rafiq also. All the press and media. And nothing would have been possible without you, the audience. I think most important is thanking the audience first, because their patience coming here on a Sunday in the COVID pandemic times. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. मैं आपसे बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. Believe me, it's coming from my heart. Uniting heart है ना, दिल से मेरी आवाज निकल रही है आप लोगों की. कैसे शुक्रिया अदा कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. And of course, our Reverend Father Victor Lobo, no, जब ये pandemic graveyard नहीं करके जब last time ban हुआ, तो उन्होंने ताज्जुब होगी मुझे, उन्होंने कहा एक काम करो, मजलिस यहाँ पे करो. He said, do the majlis in my ground and in the basement you can serve the food, have the Hussain Day here. इससे ज्यादा इत्तेहाद का पैगाम कहाँ भी मैं समझता हूँ नहीं मिलेगा. पूरी दुनिया आप ढूंढेंगे तो. Believe me, ये किसी को खुश करने के लिए नहीं, इनका जज्बा है. ये डॉक्टरेट इन सूफीज्म है और मेरे साथ करबला आए हैं फादर विक्टर लोबो. He has come with us and done ziyarat of Imam Ali al-Islam, Imam Hussain al-Islam and Hazrat Abbas al-Islam. ये है जज्बा. ये हम चाहते हैं कि हम सब मिल के रहें. मुनाफिकत को खत्म करना है. And I thank Allah And my parents, my mother passed away 2 years back. My father is a source of strength to me, my children, my friends, and the entire team, Uniting Hearts, Team Hussain Day. Lastly, my uncle, Mr. Mirza Akram Mahdi, who has done a lot of work behind the scene. He's not here, but he was the backbone for a lot of arrangements done today. I thank him. I thank you all. See you next year, inshallah. And Sunita Jingran ji,
सिर्फ और सिर्फ मैं वोट ऑफ थैंक्स में हुसैन डे के जितने भी मेंबरान हैं, मैं उनकी बहुत तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मैं पहले ही कह चुकी हूँ कि इतना बड़ा चमन सजाना और सबको एक साथ इकट्ठा करना, ये कोई मजाक नहीं, इट्स नॉट ए मच ऑफ जोक। आप बता दूँ कि बस मैं तो अपने आगा सुल्तान भाई और उनकी सब हमारे डॉक्टर ज़करिया अब्बास और उनके रज़ी अब्बास जितने भी मेंबर हैं, बब्बा हमारे, मैं इनकी कोटि कोटि प्रणाम करती हूँ। बस 2 शेर कहूँगी, सुफियाना रंग के हैं कि वो सारे ख़जाने उठा ले गया है, वो सारे ख़जाने उठा ले गया है, फ़कीरों की जो भी दुआ ले गया है, फ़कीरों की जो भी दुआ ले गया है, और चाहे हर अदाओं से देखे वो चेहरा, सारा मज़ा आईना ले गया है। बस बहुत बहुत थैंक्स, शुक्रिया।
मैं वॉलंटियर्स को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, काइंडली स्टे बैक. एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स टू द चाइल्ड प्रोडिजी कनक जोशी. May God bless you and your parents. Thank you.